What's going on, guys? This is Nick with Titan Tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a keyless entry system for your Nissan Titan. So here I have two keyless entry fobs that I purchased off of Amazon for just under $20. They came shipped to me by a company called Keyless Options. You can find the link below in the description. Now, there were a lot of options when I looked at keyless entry systems for a Nissan Titan. This one came in just under $20. There were definitely some that were cheaper, but I decided to take this option because there were just under 1,000 reviews, all with a really good score, really good rating on this product. So I'm going to walk you through how to install this. Let's go ahead and open up the package and see what we got. Okay everyone, so we've undone the packaging, and this is what comes inside your kit from Keyless Options. So they sent you a nice little warranty card here. Their logo and the keyless option name is there on the card. Comes with two keyless entry key fobs and step-by-step instructions on how to install this for your vehicle. I'm just going to zoom in on this a little bit so you can see the step-by-step instructions that come with the packaging. Looks like we have 7 steps from start to finish that Keyless Option has sent in order to get this properly installed. So let's walk through those steps and see what happens. Alright everyone, so the first thing that we have to do is get inside the vehicle, close all of the doors, and then lock all of the doors using the lock-unlock switch on the driver's side door. So we've done that already, and we'll move on to the second step. Alright everyone, so we're on to the second step, and what we have to do is insert the key into the ignition and remove it 6 times within 10 seconds. It says to do this in 1-second intervals. And then the hazard lights are going to start flashing, letting us know that we can go ahead and set the remote. So let's do that. All right, so we got the hazard lights flashing. Now, once those hazard lights flash, we're going to go ahead and put the key into the ignition and turn it to the ACC position. So we've done that, and then within 5 seconds, we're going to push the lock button 1 time, and then the hazards will flash, confirming the programming. So we've done that. Now, if we have other remotes, this company has sent us 2 remotes, then we have to move on to step 5. Okay guys, so now I need to program this second remote that I have. So the first thing that we have to do is unlock the doors. So we're going to unlock the doors here on the driver's side. Then go ahead and lock them again. Make sure that you don't do this on the remote. Now once we do that, we're going to press the lock button. And you see those hazards start flashing again. That's how we know that these remotes are programmed and ready to go. So we're going to turn the ignition off, completely take the key out, and then unlock the doors again using the lock unlock button on the driver's side door. So we're going to go ahead and open and close the door and test out our remote. Okay guys, so we've gone ahead and set up the remote. Now we're going to test it out. We're going to mess with this remote, press the lock button. There we go. Check that out. Lock and unlock. So that's it. It's as simple as 7 steps to get this wireless entry set up on your Nissan Titan. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Check out the product in the description. Alright guys, that's it for us here at Titan Tutorials. If you found this video useful and you would like to buy the product for yourself, you can find the product link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. We're putting up new videos and tutorials all the time. We love to interact and hear your feedback.